Leading a morning assembly in a Pakistani school. Setting involves incorporating elements of national pride, cultural heritage, and Islamic values. Here's a tailored outline to help you lead a successful morning assembly. Recitation of the Holy Quran. Begin with a brief recitation from the Quran, optional with translation. Poem in praise of the Prophet Muhammad. Recite a knot to invoke blessings and guidance. Kamktarna, sing the Pakistani national anthem with pride and enthusiasm. Praise to Allah, sing a hamd, a song expressing gratitude and praise to Allah. Thought of the day or quote, share a motivational quote or message from Islamic teachings or Pakistani leaders. Share news, reminders, or updates related to school activities. 7. Assembly message or talk khutbah. Deliver a brief talk on a relevant topic such as Islamic values and character building, Pakistani history and heritage. Academic excellence and personal. 8. Prayer. Lead a collective prayer for guidance, protection, and success. 9. Conclusion and dismissal. Thank everyone for their participation. Dismiss students and staff to their respective classes or activities. Remember to keep the assembly concise and engaging, around 15 to 30 minutes. Encourage student participation and involvement. By following this outline, you'll be able to lead a meaningful and inspiring morning assembly that resonates with the Pakistani school setting.